Hello, hello, and welcome to a new video. And today we have just arrived in Naga City and are checking into the Go Hotel, which is, I think, close to the centre of Naga. Possibly, we don't really know. We've literally just got here in the last couple of minutes. First thing to do is go upstairs and give you a tour of the room. And we have a safe, kettle, and a couple of cups, and then a water jug, because they have free refillable water around the hotel, so you can just go help yourself when needed. We've got a nice big double bed with my bag on. Spin around. We have a nice television, then a small bathroom area, but I think it's everything that we need. We've got a nice sink, towels, a couple of hangers. Then this door has a toilet and bidet, of course. And I assume this one must be the shower, but I'm opening it the wrong way. And we have a nice shower, some soap, a nice big shower head, and a handheld shower. So now let's give this a bed test. So now let's test the bed and see what the bed's like. If we move this out the way. Oh, very comfortable. I'll be looking forward to sleeping on this later. Because this is a Go Hotel, and Go Hotel is the same company as Robinsons Malls.
I think so, yeah.
We have the Robinson Mall directly next to this hotel with a bridge that takes you across. So let's get in the lift and let's go find out where this bridge is and get across and have a look in the shopping mall here at Naga. And we have made it across the bridge and into the mall, which is pretty simple. It was literally like a 2-minute walk across that little bridge, and then here you are in the middle of it. So, as we've never been in here before, it'll be interesting to have a look around, see what shops there are and what we can find. And also, I don't think I've ever been to a Robinsons Mall as well, so most of the time it's just in SM malls. This is a whole new experience for both of us. So we've got like a little marker that we just came across.
You can get your bits there. Probably can't hear me now because it's quite loud. You can get some jeans and t-shirts there. Oh, we've got some ballroom dancing.
At least that explained what the music was coming from. I thought it was coming from the market. It was coming from the dancing area, which we've seen before somewhere. I think in Green Hills they had some thing going on in the centre area. But let's get up to the second floor and see what there is up here.
And we made it up to the second floor, where before there was the ballroom dancing, which was just down there in that area, but that seems to finish now. We've still got the little market stall over there with people selling jeans and t-shirts and stuff. But let's have an explore around here and see what we can find on the second floor, which is quite quiet now. Oh, I think it's been quiet since we got here. It's not very, there's not many people around.
But it's quite a chill place. It's quite nice, and considering it's so close to the hotel that we're staying in, we've got the usual kinds of shops. Being Robinsons, we've got Robinsons department store with, I guess it's like the SM shops. I was thinking it was a home shop, but it's got all sorts of bits and bobs in there. We've got a sports shop. I'm not sure what's down there. Let's go have a look. Apparently, according to the sign, this way leads to more shops. But it seems like a bit of a dead end. It just brings us back out to where we were just a moment ago. We've got a Toys R Us. And then a little kiddie park here, which is quite cool. I would say to go in there, but I'm probably too old. We've got slides and other play bits, and a trampoline. And then this shop is like a Japanese hardware-y shop, and everything's really reasonably priced. And then we have an electric shop, TVs, Robinson appliances shop. So let's get up to the third floor and see what they have up on the third floor. Also, we've got this train going around, which you can get on for 60 pesos, and it takes you around the second floor. Now that brings us up to the third floor, where we have a London bus with all the things that you'd find around here. It's quite cool. You could drive around. We've got a food court. Which I guess this is where everyone is, because it's the evening time now, so obviously the restaurants will start getting busy. And we've got the view down to the lower parts of the mall. So we're quite high now, up on the third floor. We've got an electronics area. Hi. And then to finish off, we have a movie theatre. Hi. our time at the Robinsons Mall, we got a grab and made our way to SM to check it out. We're doing a tour pretty much of malls today. But it seems pretty small. I was expecting it to be a lot bigger, but it's interesting. Have a look around, see what there is. At least it gives you an idea of what there is here. So let's show you what there is in the SM Mall here in Naga City. And we have the SM department store. That seems to be pretty much it. We've got Chowking down there, and then some market stalls like they had in the other one in the Robinsons. Some more stalls and bits and while we're at SM, it's time to come for Jollibees, which we found. And I've gone for the two-piece meal, I should say. And the chicken looks absolutely incredible. Check out that. Super, super crispy. Very nice. I've almost got the famous gravy as well. So obviously we have to give the chicken a dip into that as well and see what that's like with the gravy on. Look at that, it looks so juicy and good. You can definitely taste the difference compared to what it's like in the one we went to recently in Ho Chi Minh. And we've also got the Yum Burger. Let's see what's inside there. There you go. It's very small. It's a bit like a McDonald's burger. Definitely approved of. And also like how the rice comes wrapped up in these little things as well. It's quite cool. Then we can, oops, drop my spoon. Now it's time to get stuck into this Jollibees. We've got most of the way through this chicken. We've only got a tiny bit left. Just this bit here, but I've made the great discovery of getting all of the gravy and soaking it in the rice to get this. Actually, what I will do is I'll give you a proper shot over the top and show you it. It's absolutely incredible. With the gravy dripping in rice, you get all the juicy flavours from it. That's the Jollibees finished. Absolutely demolished all of that. All the chicken's gone, all the rice, all the gravy as well, and the Yum Burger's incredible. Definitely highly recommend. And better than Jollibees in other countries that we've had. So definitely, yeah, Philippines one always wins. But anyway, let's get out of here. Let's have an explore, see what else we can find in this mall. it back to our hotel room after our day exploring, or evening exploring the two malls, the Robinsons and the SM. And from going around both of them, the Robinsons mall is definitely the better one. If you wanted to go to one of these malls, there's a lot more to do, and there's a lot more shops, a lot more options. The SM seemed like quite an old one, we thought, and there was only a handful of shops and a handful of restaurants. But anyway, we're back now at the Robinsons Mall at our hotel, the Go Hotel, which I forgot to say before was only £25 per night, which we thought was quite reasonable considering it's a pretty modern hotel, really clean, and all the staff super friendly, and the bed seems incredibly comfortable. So anyway, we'll leave this video here for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.